Welcome, and I'm very happy that you have joined us. This YouTube channel covers everything, IPOs, but also stocks trading on the market already, because at some point they used to be IPOs, and I don't just stop on day one. So you're going to see a lot of things. I also have Bull Market Watch, which is my other channel, which is not on YouTube, but it's on Discord. So if you want to join us, the link will be in the comment section below. We're going to talk about a stock in this video, guys, that is very resilient, very strong. And it's frustrating for me because I want this stock to go low. I want it to go down so I can be able to buy this stock. But it just, it's all year long, year to date, it's just being very strong. No matter what, the market does, so much things. If you read mainstream media every day, you're gonna go nuts. But this stock does its own thing. So we'll look at that, and I'll talk about that stock. Before I get to that stock, today, everyone, HPQ, ticker symbol HPQ, I think is the earnings that probably everyone's looking forward to, right, in the after hours. So this is coming up, and right now, as I'm doing the video right now, as you can see, we're getting close to the regular trading hours to finish. So HPQ after hours today, very interesting. If it beats earnings and it does really well, obviously the stock's going to go up, and it will be, I think, the beginning for this company, which I think is a great company anyways, and this is just my personal opinion. I like this company for the long term. I think that it would be the beginning for it to start heading upwards at some point. I can honestly see if HPQ does well and executes well in the earnings and so on, not today, not this year, but at some point I think that it can hit $50-$55. Obviously, a lot of things have to play right to have to go on their side. But yeah, it also has a dividend of $1.03, and I think Warren Buffett owns shares in this. Correct me if I'm wrong. All right, on my Discord, like I had mentioned, well, today I talked about ticker symbol VUZI. All right, and it was at 470 something. Right now it's at 519, so that did well. You would have known about it if you were in my Discord. And well, today one of the sales I made on one of our Discord picks is ticker symbol SKYT. If you join my Discord, basically you have access to live what I buy and sell, and then you also have access to over 900 traders. And I think that trading alone sometimes can be very difficult, but if you can trade with with a lot of people and share ideas, basically, I'm not saying copy each other, but share ideas and sharing information, and everyone's supporting each other and learning from each other, and I think that's the best way. And you're going to get a lot of that in a very beautiful way in my Discord. Everybody's very nice and helpful and so on. So yeah, the green dots you see here are stock picks I had made and sold profitable, right? And obviously, whenever I make a stock pick, I always pre-announce to everybody that, hey, I'm going to buy this, and when I sell it also. And doing very well. 2022 finished like 88% accurate on my stock picks. I think that's awesome. And then this year, we'll see. By the end of this year, maybe better than last year. We'll see.
Are you looking for a Discord platform that offers a first-class trading community? That's what you can expect when you join Bull Market Watch. Trading can be challenging for some people, but we're here to simplify the process for you. We have a very powerful track record. Our Discord deals with day trades, swing trades, and long-term trades. Hundreds of traders operate through our Discord, where we come up with stocks to trade for profits on the NASDAQ and NYSE. With a low monthly subscription of $9.90, you will have full access to our Discord, where you can interact with other traders and get all the latest news when it comes to trading as well. It's a community that is extremely supportive of one another and always willing to help each other out. Become a member of Bull Market Watch today and be on your way to a better financial situation.
So we are going to talk about EverCommerce, guys. I want to talk to you guys about this company because the last time I talked about EverCommerce Incorporation was before it even went public on the stock market. I had done a review and analysis about this company while it was still private because it was going to IPO. But basically, this company reported its Q1 2023 financial results on May 9, 2023, and they were good. And I'll show you the chart in a little bit. The company provides vertically integrated software for small, medium-sized businesses in various industry verticals, EverCommerce has proven very strong this year. This is a company that's based in Denver, Colorado, and it was created to develop a platform providing vertically integrated software to small, medium-sized businesses in the healthcare sector, wellness sector, and e-commerce for sure. That's their top. Management is headed by CEO Eric Remir, who has been with the company since the beginning. He was also the co-founder and CEO of PaySimple, which is now part of EverCommerce. The company's products are marketing technology solutions, customer engagement applications, billing and payment solutions, business management. So vertically integrated, obviously, in every step of the way, and I really like that. Ticker symbol EVCM, trading at 11.97 right now. The chart you're looking at right now is basically their year-to-date chart. Year-to-date, I mean, they're up 57% year-to-date. I mean, think about it. 2023 so far has been one of the toughest years to trade in the stock market. So many stocks have crashed, right? How many stocks in your portfolio are red? This company just doesn't get it. I mean, they don't understand about recessions. They don't understand what the Fed says. They don't care. The stock just keeps going up, and you know, it's just I want to bring this to your attention. I think that this company in the future can do so much more. If they can be resilient right now, imagine in a bull run, right? Revenue has been resilient, strong, amazing, stunning every single year of growth. They've never had a decrease in revenue. As you can see here, the revenue went in 2019 was 242 million, then it goes to 337, then it goes to 490, then it goes to 620, just unbelievable. If we look at their total liabilities, it's at 685, total debt at 536, but it is a decrease from the year before. So still good. I mean, their revenue was higher than their total debt, and I think that's good. Cash growth is at 95.8 million. Still, you know what? It is positive. And some of the news from their website, which was very interesting, was back on June 20, 2022, they had a 50 million share repurchase program, which they, from what I read, but I don't know if it's true, they're going to renew it. We'll see. The company will announce. So that's going to be positive. Net income, negative 59.8. Yes, a negative 59.8 in net income. Nothing to celebrate, but it is way better than before. It was negative 383, then it goes to negative 127, negative 97, negative 59, right? So that's that. Now, if we look at the enterprise value to sales, 4.2. Enterprise value to EBITDA is 32.7. Price to sales, 3.4. Revenue growth rate at 20.7%. Net income margin, negative 10.5%. EBITDA is at 12.7%. Market cap at 2.2 billion. Enterprise value, 2.6 billion. And the operating cash flow, $64.6 million. Why would I mention this information, all of that information? This is part of, I think, due diligence that people should do. Obviously, this video is not full review and deep analysis, but you know, things like that you should pay attention to, and not just the general foam headlines and so on, right? And yeah, so I mean, one example I was saying earlier in my Discord was for the cruise lines, and there was an article. Basically, one of the banks said same day, right? Same day. Watch these headlines. I forget which bank it was, and it said that the cruise line industry is set to see strong demand in 2023, and everything's going to be awesome. Same exact day, Seeking Alpha comes out with an article and says, well, the cruise line industry is going to be very sluggish. So it was like, what the heck? One says bull, one says bear, whatever. So what you do is you just take both of those articles, take both of those headlines out of your brain, and you look at the financials of the company. You look at the product offering. You look at management. You look at valuation, fundamentals. Check out their website, investor relations and news, and I think you get a pretty good idea of what you should do and so on. In fact, way better than just reading headlines from various sources and websites and so on. Reuters, exclusive management software company EverCommerce explores sales. I put this, and I did this on purpose because this was on April 21, 2023, which is very interesting because this is a company that's been doing awesome as a stock, but also as a company. So why in the world would they want to explore sell? I don't even know, to be honest. But it was something that was mentioned back on April 21, 2023. So far, none of that has surfaced again. And still, it would be a positive for investors because If a sale were to take place, it would not be at $11.99 that is trade right now. For sure, it'd be something like, I'm guessing, $20 minimum or something like that. So you'd still be gaining, but there's no guarantee that there would be a sell. But that's that. I want to mention that the analysts are giving this a very, very bullish rating. And they have a low of 12, an average of 13, and a high of 14. Either way you look at it, it's still higher than the current price. So in its last earnings call, management highlighted its pursuit of balanced growth, and it focuses on its embedded payment system, which I like a lot, that they have their own payment system, which grew revenue by 37% year over year, which is awesome. The number of customers using the firm's services increased 22% year over year, and 10% of its customers use more than one of its services. EverCommerce Incorporation management expects that growth and strong margins will be driven by price increases and new product introductions in 2023. PayPal is dropping like crazy. One person told me that it's because of the upcoming digital dollar. Whenever that is going to come, I'm sure it'll come at some point, but I don't think that's it. I think it's companies like EverCommerce who provide their own payment services and so on for websites, for e-commerce and so on. So that takes away a little bit, I think, in my opinion, from PayPal. So that's that. EverCommerce, ticker symbol EVCM. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about this stock. And I wish you all the best and take care.